Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you 5 minute social media makeover for a good social media appearance or good social media pictures. So let's get started. So first I'm going to use aloe vera gel from Good Vibes. You can use any aloe vera gel from any other brand or any other moisturizer, but there is a benefit of using aloe vera gel because it's not only moisturize your face but also prime your face, so you don't need to use any primer separately. Aloe vera gel is good. Then I'm going to use Maybelline BB cream. You can use any BB cream or any other tinted cream you have, but I like this one and this is totally finished. You can see that I have to repurchase it. So I'm applying it with my fingertips all over my face. Then I'm going to blend it with my fingertips again. If you want, you can go for any blender or brushes you have, if you have. But I prefer to blend my BB cream with my fingertips because I think that gives me more smooth finishing. Now I have a palette from Miss Claire. It has 3 shades: a powder shade, contouring shade and blush. So I'm going to use the powder shade to set my face, the BB cream. You can purchase this kind of palette which has 3 shades because it's very handy and very easy to use and very useful actually. So, and this Miss Claire palette is really affordable. I think it's for 350 under 500. So you can purchase this kind of palette. You can keep it with you. Now I generally don't contour my face, but if you have a chubby face, then go for it. Obviously I'm going to use a blush. Just smile and apply it on your cheeks and blend it very well because we want a natural color. We want to look natural on our pictures, obviously. And I'm also going to apply a little bit on my chin and the tip of my nose. Now groom your eyebrows with a spoolie brush or a mascara brush to make it look more neat. And then I'm going to take my kajal, this is the Biotic kajal, and just draw a wing at the end of the eyes like this. It's instantly going to open up your eyes, and that's it. I'm not going to do anything else on my eyes except mascara. I'm going to apply a good coat of mascara because mascara is really important to open up your eyes. Now for lips, I'm going to go for a baby doll shade from Palladio. You can go for any natural shade you have. This shade is really natural, you can see that. I'm not going to directly apply it on my lips. I'm taking it on the back of my hand and then I'm going to apply it like a lip balm, as you can see. Literally it had no color, but it's really glossy, like a lip gloss. Now I'm going to take the setting powder again and I'm going to apply it on my high points because I want a highlighting effect, but I don't want a highlighter. If you want this kind of effect on your face, just go for the highlighting powder instead of using any chunky highlighter. Now everything is done. Just frame your hair around your face and or side part it if the side you think that it will going to look good on your pictures. You have to find your slim face side. So this is my slim face side. Now this videos I'm taking from my front camera of my phone or the portrait mode. And if you're doing video call with someone with this makeup, you have to go to a place where you can have a more natural lights on your face. And now take the pictures. Just bring some expressions on your face, just but don't overdo it, but some natural expressions with your eyes. Your eyes should look very bright and open up in your pictures. Make some pout face or a little bit smile. Or you can wing it. Smile a little bit more. Now you can make stupid face also like this, but don't make a face like this where people think that someone punched at your face. Don't do that. And if you wear glasses, I think you're gonna look more stylish with this look, as you can see. Just go with the vibes, that's it. Go however crazy you want to go for, but just don't overdo it or don't overplay it. So that was my video for today. That was my 5 minutes makeup and also some ideas to have some good pictures, social media pictures. I hope you like it. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.